Hello, welcome back. Another Fit Food review. This is Debbie here. Let's get started. These Green Giant Veggie Hash Browns, cauliflower, these are okay. They're on sale. I won't buy these again. There's nutritionals. There's nutritionals and ingredients. Yeah, they're okay. Not bad. And another Green Giant. These aren't that good. These Veggie Rings, cauliflower, French onion. They're okay. Won't be buying these again. Again on sale. And here's the nutritionals. And ingredients. A lot of ingredients. They're okay. Won't be buying these again. They look better than they taste. And then I love these. These are the Veggie Tots. I love all these broccoli, sweet potato, cauliflower. These are delicious. They're the Green Giant product. They're nutritionals and a bunch of ingredients. So yeah, recommend these. Got these from Aldi's. Ready to roast Mediterranean vegetables. These are good. Specially selected. Zucchini, onion, peppers, I think tomatoes. Yeah, these are delicious. And I added extra zucchini. So these are good. Low calorie. Yeah, these are delicious. So definitely recommend these. And these are Aldi's version of wheat thins, sourwort, savorits, thin wheats, like wheat thins, reduced fat. These are good. Here's the nutritionals. Recommend these. So definitely get those. And these were good. I like the Annie's, the shells with aged cheddar. These were delicious. I think I added broccoli to these too. These were good. Definitely recommend all Annie's products. And I like the cheesy rice. This was good. This cheesy rice was good with broccoli too. Vegan cheesy rice. It was delicious. Recommend this. Very good. Oh, and this drop. These are Muller's Tuscan style Rotini. These were like tomato flavored. So these were good. Recommend these. They're delicious. Those are good. I forgot where I got these. Maybe Big Lots. And these are good. Got these from Big Lots. Bisquick. Now I use I like this one. This is from Kroger. I mix these two together, a cup of each, so they won't be too sweet. So a cup of each, I have to add any sugar. So these are delicious. Here's nutritionals. Tastes really good. And then this is the Kroger version of Bisquick. Just plain. These are, because this is delicious. This is good. I don't add sugar because I'm using syrup anyway. So definitely recommend these. I'm saving this just for the review. And I still have, this is my last box of these. I bought 4 boxes. This is delicious. Kashi for kids, by Kids Organic Berry Super Loops. These are the healthy version of Fruit Loops. These were good. Yeah, these were very good. These are delicious. All Kashi cereals are good. How much did this cost? I think this was a couple of dollars. So definitely recommend those. So this is my last box. And then these weren't bad. These is like Wildside Norwegian salmon. These were pretty good. Like fish sticks, salmon fish sticks. Look better than they taste, but it wasn't bad. I won't be buying these again. But I just buy regular salmon, unbreaded. I'm just breaded myself. So, these weren't bad. I won't be buying these again. Okay, now that was Fit Food Review. I was saving that trash just for this review. So definitely get those that I recommend. And thank you so much for watching and have a good week.